Good morning, everyone, and welcome to preschool. It's Mrs. Mozingo, and I hope you're ready for a wonderful day today. Let's take a look at the calendar. It's still June, and it is the 3rd day of June. We're coming up slowly but surely to those birthdays. Right down here, Trent and Wancho. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready? Here we go.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let's sing it. There's Sunday and there's Monday. I can't hear you. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Excellent. And today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. We have 2 more days of preschool, and then it'll be the weekend. All right, what kind of weather did we predict today? We predicted cloudy, and that is exactly what it is. It looks like it wants to rain. It's not sure if it wants to rain. We'll see what happens today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Sunny with clouds, or partly cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. What do we think? Ooh, I heard somebody say sunny. Let's go ahead and get a sunny day in there. Okay, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, friends. All right, let's count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Here we go. We're counting backwards. Let's be quiet about it. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I whispered all the way through it. Did you whisper all the way through it? All right. Excuse me. Let's see. What shape is this one right here? It is a circle. What color is it? Red. Yes. What shape is this right here? It is an oval. What color is it? Green. Yes. What shape is right here? Rhombus or diamond. What color is it? It's hard to see, but it's brown. Great job, friends. All right, let's look at some colors. Where is the... how about orange? Where's the orange? Right there. Excellent. How about gray? There it is. And what color is the school bus? What color is that school bus? Yellow. That's right. Great job. All right. We are working hard this morning. Our nursery rhyme this week is Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush.
Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here. Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear.
Mary? What happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is. If you add a dance. Come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes Wednesday morning, we make our bed on Tuesday. We pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday. We fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday. We bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of it.
She's so silly. All right, there's the mulberry bush. We're working on letters. And this is the letter G this week. We've done L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, O, and Q. Now we're on to the letter G. The letter G says G, 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 like gumball, gorilla, girl, and gum. All right. Let's watch the amazing gumball. Right. Let's stand up and let's sing about where we start our letters. And you gotta remember the top. Top and bottom, shake it in the middle, sing it. All right. Now, what letter are we making? The letter G. The letter G, we start off with that magic C, and it looks like magic C swallowed a little T to make the letter G. So we go ahead and put the magic C on our board. Then we take our little line down and put it right at the end of our magic C. But we're not done yet, because we have to put the top on the T. And there we go. There, we made the letter G. Here's our magic C. Attached to a T. It's going to swallow it up to make the letter G. Okay, my turn. Hands and lap. Listening ears on. My turn. Big curve. Little line up. Little line across. All right, do it with me. Fingers at the top. And we say, big curve. Little line up. Little line across. Excellent. And what letter is that? G. And G says G, G, G. Awesome. Well, thank you, friends, for coming and joining me for preschool. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Bye.